my god!
What did you do? You broke the phone.
The case.
You still recording?
Yep.
Okay. Let me get a persona.
At least the phone's okay.
Whoa.
Let's just get on with the video. So we have trucks. Avenger from Garner's Towing and Tasmanian Devil.
That's right.
Hey, hold on, watch. Hey, what? Hold the camera for this before we start. Hey, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Ram. Ah, I'm gonna get you! No, I'm gonna get you first!
Fight scrum!
Okay, practice run.
Yep.
Hogan. Do Avenger first.
Avenger first. He's gonna do this one backwards because he's so cool. Oh yeah!
Oh, sorry guys, the phone case broke off.
He ran over the phone.
I'm gonna try to put us back on, okay?
Wait till the end.
Okay.
Okay, your practice run.
Tasmanian Devil. The inside of your phone is warm. You know?
Yeah, it's because it's busy. It's working. All right, that's good practice run. We get one more practice run each. I want to try for a record. Boom!
Smashes into Tasmanian Devil. That is some aggressive tactics before the race. He must be trying to intimidate him.
Intimidation! All right, race number
Rest in peace, headphone users.
Here we go.
Ah!
On your marks.
Get set, go. Avenger Garner's Towing!
Garner's Towing comes out on top. Okay, give me one.
Throwing the trucks at you.
You are. Okay. Ready?
Go.
Garner's Towing!
Okay. Let's get it again.
Oh, I got a better way to do this. Okay. Okay. Let me think.
Guys, I need to tell you something. Your body is changing. Oh no.
Ready?
Awkward. Yes.
Tasmanian comes out on top. That was a nice race.
Ruff. He's gonna throw the.
Tasmanian Devil's not a dog.
He's gonna throw the bone and then.
Okay.
The flashlight's on again.
Oh man! How did you do that? Don't blind me!
Oh.
I think I need a retinal transplant. You blinded me. All I see is lights. Are we still filming?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Let's do the championship race. Ow! Championship race. Come on.
Okay, guys, let's do the championship race and then we'll do episode 8. Well, we'll try not to be as funny as
Yeah, we'll be a little less crazy. Okay, here we go. This is the
still
order
do
we're
the
doing it in.
surprisement. I'll do the championship.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
You still surprise them, okay?
Whoa!
Adventure!
Number one! Winner! Chicken dinner! Way to go, Avenger. You're the best, buddy.
The
Congratulations,
Babes
Avenger.
Dig Explosion.
That's what we're doing wrong.
Look. Hogan, watch.
Yes.
The Babes Dig Explosion. You know, I really wish you wouldn't refer to women as babes. Okay, fine. The Chicks Dig Explosion. You know what? Just stick with the chicks.
The Chicks Dig Explosion.
You know what? Just stick with babes.